So I got a pretty easy test drive to do now. It's a 2005 Pontiac GTO with lower miles. It's got the 6.0 under the hood. Everything's pretty clean, no lights on the dash, disc brakes. Of course, the test drive's gonna go easy. Picking out the flaws where we walk around looking for chips and scratches. We're gonna be doing that at the end. We'll check the interior out. Go to maplemotors.com for financing and shipping. For now, just sit back, relax. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Interior's pretty clean. You can place your bets on the horn, but I think we all know buzzer does work here. Let's go ahead and start it up. All right, and we're gonna try the radio out. Does work. AC's already blowing cold. Let's see what we got. 72,000 miles is what it's showing. Yeah, you got your turn signals, all that good jazz. Wipers, windows. Traction control button, which cuts it on and off. That's pretty cold. I'm just gonna cut it off. I don't need it right now. And of course the interior's all red, looks good. Headliner, a little wear there. Maybe somebody was just trying to get it off. Horn, did you place your bets? We all knew that would work. We don't need gas. We got above a quarter tank. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, so let's get my seatbelt on. There we are. Reverse. Alright. It says the average speed is 26 miles an hour. Somebody's been going pretty slow in this one. Open road. Good shifts. Speedometer's working. Straight as an arrow down the road. Nice and tight. Hit the brakes. Stops fast. Back in the throttle. Seems to shift out just fine. She gets down. Everything's good. I think mainly on this one we're just going to be looking at the paint, checking the interior out, looking for cosmetic stuff, any kind of wear. Because mechanically, I mean, the brakes are smooth, everything's working. This car here makes my job easy. We'll go ahead and pull in the parking lot over here. I'm still going to get some undercarriage shots. I don't believe it's too low, so we shouldn't hit the camera. But if we do, we do. We'll also get some passerby shots on the outside there. Go ahead and do it, guys. I'll be back here in just a moment. time to roll out. Go ahead and head back to the lot now. Hit that traction button just in case we want to kick a little rubber there. Just a little bit. You can kind of feel it when it shifted there. Just that Mustang. He must have seen me doing it because I heard him when he passed. Pretty smooth going down the road. Not really seeing any issues. There was a couple little, I mean a couple chips. Not very many at all. The car is really clean. There was a clip missing behind the seat back here. Of course, we're going to go over all that at the end of the video. That's where I have a segment called Picking Out the Flaws. I get up close and personal with everything. Nice little speed bump halfway down this road here. Spin a little bit there. Bump. Of course, it would have spun more, but I let out. Just wanted to show you that I'd do it. I know you knew. Some people don't. Some people love it. Some people don't. I don't know. It's in the video now. I always tell people we don't dog the cars, but we do get into them. I'd rather break it than send it to you broke. So that's why we do these videos too. Guys, thank you for watching. Picking Out the Flaws is coming up next. All right, let's walk around this ride. Anything I find, you'll know about it. Detailed pictures are on maplemotors.com. So coming around our front end, you got a couple little chips here on the edge. Headlights look okay. Chips on the bottom here. A little oxidized on this headlight. Scratch there. Chip here at the bottom. Some grass on there. Dirt, that'll come off. Light scratch there. Over the front windshield, everything's looking good. A little scuff here, that should come out with a buffer. Coming up to the back end. Little chip there. Solid. Little spot there on top of the wing. Chip on the light there. Coming down this side. Tires are in good shape. Little chip there in the corner. Light scuff there, should buff out. Same with the middle of the door right here. Little scuff that'll come off sitting on top of the paint. That's coming off. It's just an armor all or something. Got stuck on there. Little chip there. Looking over your front windshield. Looking through the window around the middle of the back seat, you can see the fabric showing there. It kind of pulled. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Material's good on the door panel. Let's see what's going on here. I'll look at the front seat first. Little wear on the edge. Little spot there. Little wear here on this edge. Alright, now pulling this handle. Oh, that's the back of the seat. We're missing a clip there. That probably needs to be in there so that we can clip this back on. Okay. Let's see. And then right here on top, you can see the fabric's kind of pulling right there. Oops, sorry. Yeah, I didn't know what that was at first. I was like, what's behind the seat? There's some paint chipping on this side. Coming down with the hood, let's look at it. Chip there in the front. Light scratch in the middle here. I do appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and share this video. Detailed pictures, finance, and shipping, that's all available at maplemotors.com. Thanks again, guys. See you later.